After a couple hours of welding and grinding, all the holes are welded up in the frame rail. We got gussets in, doubler plates in the corners. Got the rest of the pipe welded in. Get it flipped over and get that rear axle welded up finally. Well, look at that. All that stuff's missing now. Now you can get right up to this awful engine, no problem.
Alright, so we got the S10 cab off. Getting ready to yank the bed off, get the motor out. So far, we're so good. I found my change, man.
What about that golf ball?
Hey, that's special right there. That says, Mojo. Mojo. I got my mojo. I got my mojo, baby. Yeah.
Well, look at that. Got the bed off. Bare ugly ass chassis. Engine. New neighbors gotta love us. They came home while we were flipping the cab off. Now some of the fun stuff. Already took the coil spring and the shock out of this side. Put it back up. We gotta finish getting the sway bar out of the way. We're gonna throw that in the garbage. Gotta pull this spring out. Already got the shock out. We're not gonna eyebrow the frame up here just yet, because we may not need to. We're gonna wait till we get the cab and the running boards on there. See how low it sits. A little more progress on the Roadster. Got some motor mounts in. Looking pretty good. Got the engine all squared back up. Getting ready to sleeve the frame for the heim joint bolts. We're going to weld some steel pipe in there, beef it up a little bit. Somehow, we ended up building a dollhouse. When you have a 9-year-old, this is what happens. Nick's doing a really good job on this, though. Addie helped him paint it. And then my own little project, I knocked out 2 valve cover lamps. Put those up for sale online. See what other kind of stuff we can get into. Alright, so we were going to make some more progress on Nick's Ford this week, but doing a little math and checking, this S10 frame's really not the best option. The cab's pretty narrow in the front, so we are just going to cut it out right about there. Use the front clip, and we're going to make a 2x4 frame all the way back from that point on. He's got a 8.8 disc brake rear end coming, and hopefully in a week or two here, I'll show you a little bit more progress on this thing.